just this part right here, and then it's all good. It's all good after. Nope. That's not good. All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Each Adventure channel. My name is Josh, and today we're back out here at Baldy Mesa. We're out here on the Beta 390 RRS. My beautiful Beta 390 RRS. And we're out here with my buddy Matt, who's on his 1990 KDX 200. So we're trying to get some seat time on the KDX because, whoa, as of next week, we're going to be racing it in the Glen Helen 6-hour endurance race. So this line is the one when I came with Sub D.
Yeah, you can try to do that on a DRZ.
Yeah, well, you can try it if you want to try it. You can go first. Alright, let's watch Matt go here. Alright, last time we tried this was on the DRZ. Redemption! Not the smoothest line, but I'll take it. I will take it. Woo! Oh, heart's racing. Heart is racing. We're at the cross. Very nice. Well, this side's steeper too, from my understanding.
Pretty sketchy from what I've seen, but I've seen stuff he go up and down all the time.
Yeah, but he's crazy though.
Yeah, well, you need a little more crazy in your life here.
Oh, not doing so well. It just gets worse. Lame. This is lame. I thought I had it and then I lost it. Middle line, right? Third gear? You sit down? You're no help. Widowmaker! Woo! Mission accomplished. I can quit riding. I can quit my riding career now. Yep. Done. There goes Matt. KDX. FTW. Woo! Yeah. Now what?
Want to go down it?
Sure. I'm feeling motivated right now. All right. Don't die. Whatever you do, don't die. That's just this part right here, and then it's all good. It's all good after. Nope. That's not good. God, man. Come on, front. All right, go for it. All right, I'm done. This. Dude. Welcome to the club. Alright, so we're on something that a little bit more trail friendly. Yeah, I don't know, man, that hill was messing with me though. Even right here where I feel a lot more comfortable on this kind of stuff, I still feeling a little shaken up from that fall, man. Not much talking on this one, guys. Goal of this ride is to build up some endurance for the race next week. Whew. Watch out, Mr. Squirrel!
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.